Right, so today this arrived, and I haven't been this excited in such a long time. So this is the thing that I've been waiting for. I've had my eyes on for the longest time. It is the Peter McKinnon Everyday backpack by Gomatic, if you're here in the UK, or Nomatic if you're anywhere else in the world apart from Europe. So yes, this is the Gomatic X Peter McKinnon, or Peter McKinnon X Gomatic Everyday backpack, and I'm gonna open this up for you. We're gonna make this quick because today's July the 19th, 2022, and it is day 2 of the summer heat wave here in London, and temperatures are about 40 degrees, and I can't keep the fan on because it makes a shh noise, and that means that the audio is going to be all terrible. So the fan is off, so we're going to make this as quick as possible. Just going to open this bad boy up, have a look at it, and that's it. This is a full-on, very quick unboxing video, and I'm going to stop blabbing now and just kind of get to it. Right, so we're gonna just get this, my handy little tool here. And sorry the angle is so wide. I have a small room, and you know how it is. You know the struggles of a content creator. Small room, big box. You gotta make sure everything fits in. So yes, it is a bit of a wider angle than I normally would film in, but that's what all my unboxings are like. Oh my god, there is paper here that I can just cut through. I'm pretty sure that's paperwork. Let's go through this side. And this side, I am so hot, guys. This is ridiculous. This summer is crazy. This heat wave is crazy. It's literally 40 degrees outside, and I'm in here without fan. So great. So, I mean, just the box aesthetics, by the way, itself, I love it because it has the Peter McKinnon signature and the Gomatic logo, and fly the flag. Pete's pirate flag is right there. And I'm gonna open this guy up. Oh, wow. Come on. I just smacked the mic, you guys heard that, right? Anyway, throw that to the side. Here it is. This is the backpack. I love the internal packaging. I'm just gonna hold it like that because like I can keep my head on it. Just got sweat on the package. So yeah, this is the everyday camera back. So if you're following Peter McKinnon in any way, you know that he's done two big collaborations with Nomatic, which is the kind of father company of this, to create some really cool backpacks for us camera enthusiasts. There's a 35-litre travel backpack, which is amazing as well, but I never managed to get my hands on one. And there is this, which is the 25-litre everyday backpack. So we're just gonna open this up and just have a look. Oh, you can just kind of feel the premiumness coming out of it. It's so solid. Nothing else in the bag. Guys, I'm sweating like mad. And here it is. Wow, it stands perfectly without effort, and all bags kind of do when they're brand new, but this has got this really solid bottom, and the kind of structure of it looks really good. It is a very solid looking backpack, and you can see the two kind of flaps on the sides for your tripods and wall balls and other accessories, and it's magnetic, so it just kind of clips, the flaps kind of just clip on like that. The strap here looks very nice and sturdy. It's very strong. It's actually, you know, it feels really nice, and it just feels really sturdy. Anyway, what else have we got? We've got a not camera slot. There's a laptop slot or whatever else you want to kind of fit in here. You've got a nice big compartment here for laptops, tablets, and here is the top opening. So the top opening is kind of, there you go, and then there you go. So this top opening gives you access to the top compartment, which this backpack has something called a ladder system, and I'll show you what that means when I open up the whole thing. But this ladder system basically means that you can kind of change the size of this top compartment based on your needs. So right now it's on the smaller size, you can fit a whole bunch of extra stuff in there, probably accessories box, a tech pack, anything else that you need to, you can kind of fit in here, or completely remove this and just use this as a hollow bag. But then we get to the main compartment, which is the more interesting part, and it opens out outwards like this, and I opted for the one with the large cube pack. So this also has something called a cube system. So you get all of these various different size cubes. You can get 2 small cubes, put it in here, 1 small cube, and then extend this ladder system out. So you can see here, that's how the cube kind of just fits in. So if you don't want to be using the cube, just take the cube out. You've got a hollow empty space here, and then you can just kind of pull this up if you want less space, and you can fit in a small cube. So yeah, and again, it looks really sturdy, and if you want to use it, like I said, just as a backpack on its own, you can completely remove the ladder system and just use it as a hollow packing bag. If you're going to be going on traveling but you don't want to take your camera with you, just use it as a hollow packing bag. You've got plenty of space in there, or if you want to use it like I do as a primary camera bag, then fit the cube in and it can fit all of your extra accessories and everything like that you want. Your camera, your lenses, everything's got a nice little slot for it, so you can kind of put in multiple accessories into here, and then it will just kind of fit everything in anyway. I'm gonna pack it up really nicely later, and this is not coming out. Come on, this is not the time to do this. 50 mil. Right, so and then you've got extra compartments here for all of your other stuff. So you've got nice kind of mesh, I like to call it, I think it's mesh compartments with zippers. You've got these nice mesh compartments which you can kind of fit loads of different things in, loads of different accessories, keys, wallets, whatever else you want to fit in here. And you can see at the back you've got another kind of pirate flag logo right here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but the back is really nicely padded and actually feels really good. I can presume this is really comfortable. I know a lot of creators who are using this as their primary backpack. Some of the ones, you know, ones who are affiliated with Peter McKinnon in some way or another, you know, part of the Dog Squad, or even other creators. I've seen quite a few online who've used this, but so far I've not seen a lot of the UK creators with this. I'm not sure, I might be wrong. If you guys are UK creators and you have reached out to Gomatic and picked up one of these bad boys, reached out to Gomatic and gone onto the website and picked one up, bought one, been sent one, however else you might have acquired one, then do let me know, because this did only come out in the UK very recently. So I am super excited to kind of put this guy to use and see what it is capable of. I intend to use it for both my camera gear as well as an everyday backpack, because that's what it is. It's an everyday backpack, and if I just take the cube out, then I've got plenty of space in there to use with my everyday stuff. So there you have it, guys. That's the unboxing. This is the Gomatic X Peter McKinnon Everyday 25 litre camera backpack, and this is Kai24 on a very hot day, asking you guys to make sure that you hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy my content in general, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I will leave a link to this bad boy down below. I'll put both an Amazon link as well as the official website link. I don't get much out of the official website link at all, but the Amazon link is an associates link, so I will get a little bit of commission for that. So guys, if you do want to help me out and you are in the market for a new camera bag, then make sure you hit the Amazon link, and yeah, every penny helps. Until next time, guys, this is Kai24 signing out.